Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be guiding you step by step through the process of creating a jaw-dropping 3D model of a tank in Tinkercad. By the way, I am Shriyans and this is my little sister Nandini.
Hi,
And we are the Mini Maker.
Hey Nandini, in today's video, we are going to make a tank. I have already named the project, so let's start. I'm going to change the angle to 90 degrees. So let's do that. I have done that. Now, I'm gonna go and drag it to the left side and take out a duplicate. I'm gonna take out a duplicate and make sure that it is just beside the cylinder. Like this, we are going to make around 6 cylinders. You can make 5 and 7. It should approximately be 8. Don't do more than that. I'm going to select all the cylinders and group them. I have grouped them and I'm going to now take it up and make the first base of this tank. So let's start. I have made the second part of the base. First were the cylinders and second is this cube. So to make this base you have to just shorten its length and breadth and of course decrease its height a bit. Now I'm gonna go to a different direction, adjust the placement, take out a duplicate and drag it towards the right side. Make sure a little bit space is left. Like this, you have to take out around 7 to 8 cubes. Nandini, it is looking perfect, right?
Yeah, it is looking perfect, but I have still not recognized what is it.
Yeah, it is gonna be a little bit confusing, but still, try to understand how it will look. Now, I have taken out a duplicate. I have not taken out the whole cube. I have just taken out only the 3/4 of the cube, and then I'm gonna change its angle to 30, and then like this I'm gonna take out duplicates. They're going to be curves as its Tinkercad's feature. So now we are almost done with the first base. So let's go towards completion. Select only the cubes which are flat, not the cubes which are curved. I'm going to take them down, take out a duplicate and take them up. And then I'm going to take this last cube of the curve and take out a duplicate. So let's do that. I have taken out a duplicate. I'm gonna try to curve it. So I'm gonna change its angle to 30 again. It's turned to 30 and I'm gonna move it towards the left side. I'm gonna take it down and looking like a perfect curve. Nandini, did you understand how it will look?
I didn't understand, but I recognize what is it.
Yeah, you also should recognize it. I'll not tell you now. I'll tell you after the completion of the first base. Now, make sure that you only select the curves and then group them. And then, as you know, what you have to do, you have to take out duplicate. So let's do that. What are you waiting for? I have taken a duplicate. I have taken it outside. Now I'm gonna change its angle, but you could use the mirror option too. As if you use them, you'll be considered as you are using the options more, and you will be considered as more creative. If you are using the mirror option, say yes and say mirror, and if you are not using, say no and press mirror. Now, as you can see, I've done the adjustment of the curve. I've selected it and grouped it. With this, the first base is ready. So now I'm gonna go to the shape bar, go to the solid option and click the multicolor option. And as you can see, what I have done, I have taken out a duplicate and I have dragged it to the left side. I have taken this cube, taken it up, and now I am gonna increase its length and breadth. By the ways, you to mention if you have seen a real tank. Say yes or no. Oh no need to mention anything else. Now I have done with the width. It's time to do it with the length. Looking like a square, but as you know, it's looking a little bit big in size. Now I'm gonna go to the shape bar to this, and then I'm gonna change its radius to 3. Now I'm gonna take out a duplicate, change the I'll change the length and breadth diagonally. I'm gonna take it up and then place it in the center. And now make sure that a little bit space is left from all the sides. Okay? Nandini, from this, our second base is ready. Are you excited to see the third base?
Yeah, I am, and this is already looking very cool.
Thank you. I have taken a cube on the top of the base, and I have taken out a duplicate, and as you can see, its placement, it's on its right side. Now, to make the settings, I'm going to take another cylinder and place it just in the front of the cube. And like I did with the cube, I'm going to again take out a duplicate of the cylinder. I'm going to take a cylinder. As I did in the minigun, I decrease the length and breadth like that. I'm gonna decrease length and breadth, and then I'm gonna change its angle to 90 degrees, but make sure it looks like a perfect metal rod, or it will not look good. I'm just giving you advice. As you want to do, you can do. As I said, I'm going to change the angle to 90. I have pressed 90, and now it's time to merge it. I've merged it. I'm going to take it a little bit up, and but obvious, or I would take it out, or I would extend or increase the length. Now I'm going to increase the length, take out a duplicate, and then if you want, you could make it equal to the size, but according to me, I would decrease the size a bit. And like we did with the second curved cube, we're going to do with the cylinder too. Make sure some part is left from all the sides. this is a must. Make sure you maintain this rule. It's really important. Nandini, it is looking really cool, right?
Yeah, I think these are the shooters that you made right now.
Yeah, you guessed it right. Very good. I have just adjusted its placement of these cubes and cylinders, and then, as you know, whenever we make a structure, you know what to do. We will group it and then change its color. So let's do that. Nandini, it is looking fabulous, right?
Yeah, it is looking as a real 3D model of a tank.
I'm really impressed from the words you said from me and you praised me. Oops, I think I grouped it, but now because I have to color it of different colors, I need to ungroup it. So let's do the ungrouping part. I have ungrouped it. Let's change the color. I'm gonna go to solid, change it to black, take the another one, and then I'm gonna change it black too. I'm gonna take this first base, turn it dark green, take the second base, make it dark green too, and same with all these cubes and cylinders. I'm gonna change all of them dark green. Nandini, most of the tanks are green, right?
Not only green, but dark green.
Yeah. Thank you for correcting me. I appreciate that a lot. I have changed the color to dark green of all the cubes and cylinders. Time for the shooters. I'm gonna change it black or dark grey. You could do any of them. And I'm gonna take this and change it to dark green. Like this, our whole tank is ready. I'm gonna butterways select and group it. And now it has become totally black, right?
Yeah, I agree.
Now I have gone to the shape bar, press multicolor. So make sure you do it. Bye bye. Meet you in the next lesson. Don't forget to save the project.